News just in, Homie and the Dude have released a teaser for their next Kickstarter. The web landing page here shows it's called Scorched Basin. It's Mad Max and Dune inspired, therefore it's basically sandy wastes, as you can see in this image. Desert setting. System agnostic as ever, but does include the 2024 5e stats, if that's the easiest for you. Love this art as well. This vehicle, this circular vehicle, really has me intrigued. It looks awesome. It explains that the temperature fluctuates wildly with the days being hot and the ground simmers in the intense heat. The nights bringing fierce frozen winds. The basin is a rough circular shape with a mound in the centre where many years ago a meteor struck this land. Around the edge, huge sandstone walls rise up and the red sediment leaving twisted lines throughout the cliff faces. As you move closer to the centre of the basin, you pass a multitude of different biomes, including dead forests, towering maze-like rock formations, rolling sand dunes and solid salt flats. Throughout, shards of crystal lay buried in the sands, and a graveyard of ruins, bygone technology and shipwrecks are constantly covered and uncovered in the shifting sands. Harsh winds ripple through the crater, and those that live inside the basin walls have had to adapt to the environment or perish. Within the Scorched Basin, 5 tribes compete for resources. And I have my homebrew world map, which features a place called The Wastes, and so I'll be dropping this content in that area of my map. There's a very short trailer, but I'm going to take a look at it. Love that music, sets the tone really well. And if we could drive around in the spiked beetles of Mad Max with a backdrop of a setting sun, then I am in. I'll click notify me on launch, and hopefully I'll have some word as soon as any more news drops.